Can't remove your Samsung account? Forgot your password? Or your phone keeps asking for verification again and again? In today's video, I'll show you easy methods to remove a Samsung account in 2026. Hey guys, welcome back to TECHLOAD. Today, I'm going to show you how to remove a Samsung account from your Samsung phone, step by step. Let's get started. First, open Settings on your phone. Then tap on your Samsung account at the top. Then tap on three-dot menu top right corner. Then tap on About Samsung account. Then tap on I bottom the top right corner. Then tap on again three-dot menu top right corner. Then tap on Uninstall Updates. Then tap on OK bottom. And then your Samsung account will be removed successfully. Here, your previous Samsung account email address may still appear on the screen. Don't worry about that. If your old account has already been removed successfully, you can now simply sign in with a new Samsung account using your new email and password.